Not a bad Friday afternoon across mid-Missouri. Temperatures into the low to mid-70s. Those southerly winds are what's pumping in that warmer air than what we've been kind of feeling here over the past couple of weeks. Starting to feel a little bit more like late spring here as we're headed into the next couple of days. But just as quick as it came, we're going to be pushing it right back out as we head into next week. We'll show you that 7-day forecast coming up in just a second. You can see how those clouds are going to be building though as we head into the rest of this evening. That says a chance at a spot shower can't be totally ruled out into this evening as well, but in general, likely not going to be causing any major issues for mid-Missouri tonight. As we take a look at the temperatures, we'll be dropping into the lower 60s and upper 50s across a good portion of the area. It will be a little bit mild as you're waking up tomorrow morning, and will be mild into the afternoon hours, even warm in some cases. Many of us rising into the low to mid 80s, maybe even a few spots flirting with 90 degrees into tomorrow afternoon. We'll certainly notice a little bit more humidity in the atmosphere. With that added humidity, we're going to be tracking the potential of a couple thunderstorms developing as we head into Saturday night and very early on Sunday morning. And this is a pretty conditional threat at this point. Some of the other models haven't really been showing much at all. This is one of the stronger models that we've been seeing here from this morning. So there's no guarantee that we're going to be getting this type of complex of storms to roll through, but it's one of the solutions that we're tracking. And obviously with it rolling through very early on Sunday morning, we want to make sure that we're keeping folks on top of that as we're headed into the Sunday morning hours. You can see though it moves through pretty quickly, and then that cold front will kind of sag to our south, bringing us a chance at a spot shower or two into Sunday evening. In general, it looks like most of that will move through Sunday morning in terms of widespread thunderstorms in our area. In terms of temperature tracker, that cold front is going to kind of sit to our south here over the next several days as a series of cold fronts look like they're going to reinforce that chillier air in terms of relative chill. We're back into the lower 60s throughout much of next week. Temperatures that could be running anywhere between 10 to 15 degrees below average, and you could see that it's not only here in mid-Missouri, but across a good portion of the eastern seaboard as well. So it looks like as we head into the middle of May, we could be talking about the potential of temperatures chilling back down. I've even seen some data in the mid to long range showing temperatures near freezing. So we'll see how that pans out here as we head into the next couple of days. May could be bringing us another chance at some chillier than average weather through the middle of the month.